VSEE Stock Analysis and Price Prediction. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments on my exact play. Vsee Health stock is 107% up today. I mean, a wonderful Friday for VSEE stock. Zooming out, there seems like I've never made videos on this thing previously. I mean, that's also fine. There's no problem with it. I'm gonna come here and say that I'm seeing this after the price has already gone up 100%. So just to give you my 2 cents on this context, I'm using my strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 2 years, and I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. But yeah, with VSEE, we saw one break. I mean, after this one break, I'd probably just double down on this bullishness, but I don't see enough candles here. Like, what the hell is going on here? You know, it's not a trade that I would personally trade because there's like no real structure behind it, but that's just me. And anything else, I mean, I'm just going to keep you updated. There's no point for me to try and force stuff here right now whatsoever. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next